What is going on, Crow Army? Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this content, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified, hit the like button, and leave a comment down below. And then share this video on all of social media if you like crypto.com and you like the Crow token. This is going to share it with more people. This is going to cause it to trend more. And maybe, just maybe, I'll convince a few people to look at it, and that'll help pump the price. That's the way this works, right? It's not financial advice, but I'm always right. All right, guys, price action, very simple. We got a nice run yesterday, but I don't like the way this played out. If you look at the way our price moved, then you're looking at 64% over the course of, let's call it, the last month, right? That's a great number. But now if we kind of zoom in here and we focus on what happened yesterday, we got what can only be described as a great run. We had a nice run up here of 19% over the course of a very short period of time, but none of that was able to sustain, which means that we've got a lot of bearish pressure. Now, the issue here was all of those shorts that were set, they got popped and their stop losses got wrecked. That cleared a path for us going forward. So trading right now at 8.1 cents and still respecting this sort of, and look, we came out of this line, but it's respecting the line. I want to move back to the day chart. Let's go to 4 hour. Look at the 4 hour and you can kind of see what I'm talking about here. We're still respecting this line. So we're in this channel and we've popped a whole bunch of shorts up here. So we're in a better position. Now, what does that mean? Well, look, the big deal right now is we've got to get over this 200 EMA. That's where the upward sort of mobility is really going to start. And that's going to take about 9.5 cents. So, as long as we're moving along this path and we're on our way, and if we get a few more spikes in the price, then we get a chance to test this 200 EMA. And that's a buy signal for people. So just so you guys understand, when that happens and we get over this, then there are algorithms and there are bots and there are buy signals that are being emanated to everybody that this is the move. And now it's time to make this play. A lot of these people are not in the market to do this risk right now. They're in for the reward. Now we've got Apple, Google, and Amazon making reports today. So if that happens, then we're in a positive vibe, and we could see the start of an enormous sort of pump, right? But there has to be an announcement coming from crypto.com. And hey, Chris, you listening? There has to be there has to be something that happens to really provide itself as a catalyst. Short of that, we're going to continue moving up this line again. We'll have that little pop. We get one of these pops one more time, then there we are. But as you can see, one of the major forms of resistance here, you gotta recognize right there at 9 cents. Like that's been kind of a difficult spot. If we break over that, however, and you can see it all the way extending over here, but if you break over that, then the sky's the limit. Our next target point is going to be up here at 13 cents. Look, you don't want to skip. You don't want to skip 10 cents. Obviously, you're going to have some resistance there, and I don't want to underlie that. But the next big resistance is at 13 cents, and there's a reason. That represents the recovery from FTX's collapse. Now, it's got to be said, Bitcoin has already done the recovery. Ethereum has already done the recovery. They're right there. Bitcoin holding up a little bit better, but Crow has yet to get to that level. So you can expect there is some tremendous upside. And if this thing starts to run, and I mean the market in general, then that's what we're going to see. So let's move on to an announcement. Rocket, the Rocket Pool, RPL, is now listed on crypto.com. Rocket Pool is the base layer protocol for decentralized and trustless ETH2 staking, designed to support stakers of all shapes and sizes. Rocket Pool was built with the intent to allow anyone to trustlessly stake ETH to a network of decentralized node operators with full autonomy underpinned by RPL collateral. So welcome aboard Rocket Pool. If you haven't already, go check them out. Do your own research on it. Decide if that's the investment for you. Welcome to crypto.com Rocket Pool. All right, guys, that's it for the day. I hope you found this information useful, and I hope you share it with as many people as possible. Again, if you like the content, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the bell to be notified of future content. And This is not financial advice. My name's Bleeves. I'm always right. And we'll talk to you again very soon.
I'm looking for the good life, good life. Sitting on top of the world, I wanna be shining.